3D printing is one of the newest additions to the UNO Criss Library's Creative Production Lab. Students can print designs for just 10 to 20 cents a gram in a variety of colors. The designs can be things they created using 3D programs like Autodesk and Blender. The internet offers several amazing programs for free, and many come with tutorials, so you too can learn 3D modeling. If 3D modeling isn't your thing, you can browse through thousands of already made 3D files online. These range from tools to jewelry to decorations. Thingiverse.com is a popular site where anyone can download these files for free. Students then submit their files to the Creative Production Lab and the printing begins. Our printer is a MakerBot Replicator 2X, meaning it can print with two colors in one model. The printer works like this. Plastic rolls of filament are loaded into the printer and attached to what is called an extruder. The extruder heats the plastic to nearly 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The plastic comes out of the nozzle of the extruder and onto the plate. It does this layer by layer until the project is complete. Some prints can take just 20 minutes to do. Other projects can take over 10 hours. .3D printers are being used worldwide in the fashion industry, but they're also printing medical supplies in poor countries and prosthetic limbs right here in the United States. And it doesn't stop with printing plastic. Scientists are discovering ways to 3D print cells to make organs. 3D printing is also making its way into the kitchen, printing everything from candy to pizza. This technology is everywhere, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. You'll be sure to see the UNO Criss Library continue to grow their 3D printing technology for years to come.